Morning. Well, don't know what time you're watching, but it's morning for me. Sunday morning. I'm back from a fantastic holiday. My cousin and her kids and her husband have been here for the weekend, and Sunday morning, 8 o'clock, and I'm in to do mortgage review. It has to be done. The biggest expense I've got and the biggest expense you've probably got is mortgages. You got to review them. You can't just go, oh, they're fine. I spend a huge amount of money every month on mortgages, so I've got to just review them. Where am I at the moment? What's the loan to value? Is it the most competitive product? How am I paying it? Which one am I paying off next? Do I pay above and beyond? Am I on fixed? Am I on variable? What do I think the market's going to do? So just the whole thing. So first is obviously getting your paperwork right, making sure you're completely up to date with your mortgages, got it in a nice spreadsheet. We love a good spreadsheet. The second is looking at the interest rate, looking at what you've got on fixed, what you've got on variable. Is the interest rate still competitive? What is the redemption policy? You know, how much would you have to pay in a fine, if you, as I would call it, if you pay it off early? Very frequently you can pay 10% off per annum, so are you doing that? What's your plan for each of the properties? And when are you going to change mortgages to a more competitive mortgage? Because it's the biggest cost you've got. So don't just leave it lying like latent. Review it and make sure you're highly competitive. And I just drove past the gym and saw my really good friends go in, and I was like, I want to come and play. Mortgage review. Have a good day.